What are the major human rights issues in China? Have you ever wondered about the human rights situation in China? It's a topic that raises many questions and concerns. Let's take a closer look at some of the major issues that have been highlighted, especially from a liberal perspective. First, freedom of expression is a significant concern. The Chinese government exercises strict control over media and public discourse. This limits the ability of citizens to voice dissenting opinions. For many, open communication is essential for a healthy society. Next, we have arbitrary arrests and detentions. Human rights defenders, activists, and journalists often face arrest for advocating for rights or reporting on government actions. This undermines the rule of law and due process, which are vital for protecting individual rights. Religious freedom is another pressing issue. The government has intensified restrictions on religious practices, especially in regions like Xinjiang and Tibet. The persecution of Uyghur Muslims and Tibetan Buddhists is seen as a violation of fundamental human rights. In the Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, there has been severe repression of Uyghur culture and religion. Reports indicate forced labor and mass detentions. Many view these actions as serious violations of human rights and cultural identity. Tibet also faces challenges. The Chinese government continues to suppress Tibetan culture and language. Strict controls on religious practices limit access to the region for outsiders. This is viewed as an attack on the unique identity of Tibetans. Hong Kong has experienced significant changes too. The introduction of a national security law has eroded civic freedoms. Pro-democracy activists have faced prosecution, raising concerns for those who support democratic movements. These human rights issues present challenges to liberal values, especially as China rises as a global power. The suppression of individual freedoms and the erosion of democratic principles reflected tensions between authoritarian governance and liberal ideals. From a liberal viewpoint, addressing these issues is vital for promoting a more just society, both within China and globally. Advocates suggest international pressure on China to respect human rights and support for those defending these rights. Promoting democratic values and encouraging transparency and accountability are also essential. International efforts to monitor and address human rights abuses are crucial in this context. Understanding these human rights issues in China helps us grasp the broader implications for individual freedoms and democratic principles. It is a complex situation that continues to evolve, and staying informed is key.